Are you tired of friends bothering you when you're busy? Learn how to instantly set your Discord status to Do Not Disturb or go invisible. In this guide, I'll show you exactly where to click to change your status, plus how to add a custom status with an emoji and auto-clear timer. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is look in the bottom left corner of your Discord window. See your little profile picture or avatar down there? Go ahead and click on it. That opens up your user settings, and your status options are right there waiting for you. Now, right next to your name, you'll see a small circle. That's your status circle, and it shows your current status color. Click directly on that circle to open up the Status Picker menu. This is the control center for everything we're about to do. You'll see the main preset statuses listed first. The green Online option is your normal active status. It signals to everyone that you're around and available to chat. Click that if you want to go back to just being your regular connected self. Next up is Idle, marked by a yellow crescent moon. If you step away from your computer for a bit, Discord usually sets this automatically, but you can manually choose it too if you want to let people know you're taking a break without actually going offline. If you need some serious focus time, choose Do Not Disturb. It's the red status. This one mutes all desktop notifications and marks you as unavailable. It's perfect for when you're deep in a game, working on a project, or just don't want to be interrupted. And then there's Invisible. This is the gray status, and it's a little sneaky. You'll still appear completely offline to everyone else, but you can still use Discord normally. You can browse servers, send messages, and do everything you usually do, but nobody will know you're there. It's great for some quiet browsing time. So those are the four main options. But let me show you something even more useful. Instead of choosing one of those presets, look for the option that says Set a Custom Status. That's where it gets fun. Click on that and a new window pops up. Here you can type whatever message you want to show under your name. Maybe something like studying for finals or in a meeting, whatever fits your situation. And here's the really important part. See that little emoji icon on the left side of the text box? Click it, and you can pick an emoji to sit right beside your custom message. It adds a bit of personality and makes your status stand out in the friends list. Now, pay attention to this one. Right there, you'll also see an option that says Clear After. By default, it's set to Never, but you can click that dropdown and choose a specific amount of time. You can set it to clear in 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, or even a full day. This is incredibly useful if you want your status to automatically expire after your meeting ends or once you're finished with whatever you're doing. No need to remember to change it back manually. Once you've typed your message, added your emoji, and set your timer, just click the Save button, and you're all set. Your custom status will now appear to everyone on your friends list. Just keep in mind that the information I've shared here comes straight from Discord's official support articles and from thoroughly tested walkthroughs, so you can be confident that every step is accurate and works exactly as described. And that's it. You now know exactly how to control your online presence on Discord. Whether you want to go invisible for some quiet time, set a Do Not Disturb status while you focus, or create a fun custom status with an emoji and a timer, you've got all the tools you need. Thanks for watching.